If you want to make your texts appear bigger than they usually do on Discord, we have you covered. Here is a simple trick to sending big texts on Discord web, app and mobile. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. This trick works for Discord across channels and platforms, web, desktop and mobile apps. To send a larger than normal text on Discord, you need to log into your account and go to the text channel where you want to send the big text. Type a hashtag mark in the message bar followed by a space and then type your text. Press enter and you will see that the text sent will be bigger and bolder than normal text. As you can see, this step works exactly as it is on the mobile apps too. Simply add a hashtag mark followed by a space and then type your text and send enter. It will convert it to big and bold text. You can add up to 3 hashtag marks before the text, which will make it smaller than the biggest text but still larger than the normal text. And there you have it. Now you know how to send larger texts on Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment telling us whether it worked for you or not. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.